Let's check what you can do with pages written by Demo. You can arrange the pages by its date. There are 3 icons to choose to arrange by days, months, and years. You can save pages as favorites. You can select pages to share, copy, move, and delete. Let's arrange the pages by notebook. The Smart Pen icon on notebooks indicates whether the notebook is in use or not. Tap the More icon. There are many functions that you can manipulate the notebook. You can lock the notebook. It means this particular notebook will not get any pages updated from your Smart Pen. Press and hold the notebook for 2 seconds to share or delete the notebook. You can also expand or collapse the pages. When the pages are collapsed, you only see the pages you wrote. You can share, copy, move, rename, and delete each page from the menu. Find your notes easily by searching. If you search for the text stored in Neo Studio, you can see all the pages containing a text in one place. Set your transcribe language in Transcribe Recognition Language. Tap the Favorite icon to set your favorite pages.